We'll be calling on Chief Dr. Ominimini. He is representing JP Clark, and he has a few words to share with us. Okay, sorry, I beg your pardon. Please, he is a representative of Chief Edwin Clark.
Thank you. The great Iyom, our mother, Your Excellencies, distinguished senators, traditional rulers, gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I say good afternoon to you all. Yesterday, my father, our father, Chief Edwin Clark, who is today 97 years, called on me to represent him in this program. If you go to the program, page 28 and 29, the speech of the national leader, Chief Edwin Clark, is there, and is very, very clear. He's been very supportive of this program right from onset. And as you know, our father, Chief Edwin Clark, is gender sensitive. If you read his speech, you see very clearly how he has supported the girl child and how he has supported the Igbo race. In fact, he was commissioner in the Midwest Bender. After the war, he played a very major role to ensure that the Igbos are brought back to a very solid fit. To the extent that he had to withdraw his child, the daughter Rebecca, from St. Teresa Grammar School, Ugele, to Queen's School at Enugu. And he did a lot of things to ensure that education continues without stop in the Eastern region. However, I want to thank our mother for the platform you have created today. This platform is a great platform for national discourse. In Nigeria, we usually see women coming together to talk of the women's rights. But this program is capable of discussing Nigeria at a global level. Inclusivity, sustainability, development cannot come without equity, without justice, and without fairness. For national development, for sustainability to occur in any given nation, there must be equity. So today, the leaders of this country should ensure that there is equity in Nigeria. If there is no equity, there is no development. The standard we use in Nigeria today shows that equity is nowhere to be found. What our leader fought for in Nigeria, what they fought for at independence, is a country where every region will produce and pay tax to the center. That is no more with us today. The military came and destroyed that. Now, we have various standards in this country. Look at the revenue generation. Nigeria has gold in high quantum, but the gold we have in this country, the money is not on table to be shared to all the states of the Federation. So Nigeria survives only on gas and crude oil. So the question our children are asking us from the South Nigeria, from Niger Delta, why is it that it is the resources of Niger Delta that is good for everybody in Nigeria, and some people retain their resources to themselves? The gold reserve in Zamfara and in some parts of this country is larger than the gold reserve in South Africa. South Africa is driven economically by the gold money. The gold money in Nigeria is left at the hands of the individuals who come from that area. And that is why where there is injustice, there is crisis. The crisis you have today in northern Nigeria is linked to the extraction of the solid mineral. That is why you have crisis everywhere in some states. So Nigeria government should ensure that there is justice. We cannot drink our water from Niger Delta because the entire ecosystem is polluted. Nigeria should ensure that the resources of this country, be it on solid mineral, should be at the table. Having said this, I also want to bring to the table that look at the educational system in Nigeria today. If a child scores certain percentage of score in JAMB or at secondary level, he may not be able to gain admission into the federal colleges. But somebody that scores lesser than that will be given admission into federal colleges. That itself is very, very bad. So, equity, fairness, and fair play is a means through which you can achieve sustainability in a nation. Sustainability is defined as achieving your own development today without compromising the ability of the future generation from achieving their own development. Thank you, and God bless you.
In the heart of the city where stories unfold, Judging Media TV shining bright and bold, bringing news from the corners of the globe, connects us together, no matter the road.